What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today I'm going to give you guys a little update on my off-the-grid 40-foot shipping container, office, warehouse / garage. I'm on the roof because I'm going to show you guys what I got powering the whole shipping container. I got lights, aquariums, and everything, which I'll be showing you in this video. Let's go ahead and do it. We're going to start with my favorite part. I got 10 100-watt solar panels, which is going down and recharging my battery bank. You see down there I used a combiner box to combine all the panels together. And I used that, I believe it's called watertight, to run the wires through. I'm not done up here. I'm going to end up adding 2 more solar panels up here shortly. You can see they're pretty dirty. I'm not sure how well you can see that on camera. But we've been getting a lot of rain and we got some snow last week, so they definitely need to be cleaned off. Now these containers get really hot in the summertime, so I've been coating the whole container with this. It's actually a roof coating, but it's a reflective paint. It's called Stay Cool. And let me tell you, this stuff makes a world of difference. It keeps those temps down on the inside by at least 20 to 30 degrees. Now it's still work in progress, so we're not 100% done with it, but we're going to go ahead and show you guys what we've done this far and show you the progress that we have made. We'll go ahead and go inside. The back part I'm using as a garage. I put my grandpa's old 41 Plymouth. Oh, it's going to be kind of hard to show you guys that, but it made it perfect. I got plenty of walking room on the side to get back to my office. As you can see, I put a sub panel. I got a sub panel there, which is running it's got the breakers running all the electricity from the inverter. See, I put some outlets. I still got to do drywall, but I put 4 outlets. 2 on this side and then 2 on the bottom of the other side. So I have plenty of outlets in here, and plus the inverter has 2 separate outlets that I'm running my computer, coffee pot, printer, and everything like that. Go ahead and you can see the wall's actually ready for sheetrock. I just haven't got around to doing it because I got some of my inventory in here. We got the tank up and running. Well, give you guys a better shot. You see all the racks. Of course, we did the checker tile floor. We got lights up. I went stand-up lights, and see, I'm keeping a lot of my RCs up there, which that is a complete nightmare. I got to get it back. I got a few projects on those going on that I haven't been able to get to. Let's see, we got some shipping stuff on the top and on the bottom, and then we got a 75-gallon aquarium. I got an Oscar fish that I'm going to put in here. I let it go about a month and a half. I let it go a little longer on the nitrate cycle, so I definitely got to clean it out. But I wanted to go through the nitrate cycle, that way I don't put any stress on the fish, and let it deal with my fish in there. So it's ready for him to go in there. I'm just going to get it all cleaned out because you see we got some algae in there. So I'm going to get it cleaned out and get him in his permanent home. It's got a pretty big filter. It's got I believe it's a Sun filter. It's supposed to filter up to like 200 gallons or 300 gallons. But it's been doing great for this tank so far. I'm very, very happy with it. I got both my X-Maxes right there. Anyone that watches my channel quite frequently knows we like to have fun with RCs. And see, I put they call it a desk, but it's more like a table. We got a coffee maker there, my scale, got a pretty good sized speaker, and the TRX4. We're actually doing a brushless setup for the TRX. Now what's powering this whole container? Well, you can see right there, it's a Ames 3000 watt power inverter. And right there I built a battery box. We got 10 AGM batteries for 1,000 amp hour battery bank. And you can see I still got a little cleanup over here, but we got a 60 amp Renogy commander charge controller. I kind of built a little placard right there on the wall so we could go ahead and hang it. You can see right there. I'm not sure how well it's coming up on the camera. Well, you can see right there we got 34.6, well 34.59 amps at 12.9 volts coming in. So I definitely got plenty of room to add at least 2 more panels on the roof, which I'm going to do shortly. Just got to get those ordered up. You can kind of see where I came down with it. I'm going to clean that up. Some of those pads came off, so I got to clean that up. I'm going to put a cover on that too to hide the wires coming down. You can see we've got the lights. I got my printer right there. My computer, my laptop's currently not in here. The chair, my office desk. And you can see I got some of my RC boxes. Yeah, I like to keep the boxes. I'm one of those people. But hey, it's what I'm into. What can I say? One of the reasons why I haven't drywalled that wall, because look at that view. You got some stuff in front of the car right now, but you can't beat the view of my grandpa's old 41. Alright you guys, that was just my short little update video to show you guys the progress that we got going on in the shipping container. I have to say I really like the way it's coming out. I do want to get the 2 other panels up on the roof. I do need it because the heaters in the tank itself actually drain the battery bank down pretty good through the night, and they keep it running during the day, and plus fully recharge the batteries is the issue I'm running into now. So we're going to go ahead and get that solved. I'm going to add 2 more panels on the roof, and I think we're going to be good. If you guys are interested in anything on the container, the solar panels, inverter, charge controller, the Stay Cool paint, I'll go ahead and put those links down in the description below. But as always, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.